Growing up in Caruthers, there was limited resources and education that made my transition to college difficult. And it wasn't until I went to Berkeley that I recognized, it wasn't my fault. There were just limited resources, and I want to give back to my community, especially the students and the families in Caruthers. Also, I don't say this enough, but my athletes also really inspire me, and I want to provide them with the resources and the tools to just make their transition easier. I think one of the challenges that my team and I have faced is making sure that the workshops that we are creating truly meet the needs of the community, and just making sure that we are uplifting the community voices and families, students, teachers, everyone in the community. And we are really hoping that by attending the community schools meeting that we are able to uplift those voices, and also just based off the data that we've gathered that we can tailor our workshops to meet the community needs. By collecting participant demographics, attendance, pre and post workshop surveys, and then in the long term we're hoping that we can be able to measure health outcomes. But for example, right now we're hoping that we can get at least 70% of an improved health literacy with our medical topics that we cover. Yeah, I think it's such a small community. Everyone knows everybody, and there's so much support here. So I'm really looking forward to it. I'm looking forward to the community be involved, for getting to meet families and just all of our students that are going to be involved. I'm really excited, and I just know that if there's any place that I can make meaningful impact, it's going to be in Caruthers.